Who proposed the five kingdom classification system? Which kingdom includes unicellular eukaryotic organisms? The scientific name of humans is? Which taxonomic category is immediately above species? Viruses are considered? The cell theory was proposed by? Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? The ribosomes are primarily responsible for? Which cell organelles contain hydrolytic enzymes? The fluid matrix inside the nucleus is called? Which biomolecule forms the structural framework of cell membrane? The process by which the water moves across the semi-permeable membrane is called? The genetic material in most organisms is? DNA replication occurs during which phase of the cell cycle? Which nitrogenous base is formed in RNA but not DNA? The codon consists of how many nucleotides? The functional unit of heredity is called? Who is known as the father of genetics? In Mendel monohybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio is F2, generation is? Which blood group is known as the universal donor? A person with blood group AB is considered? The chromosomal number in human somatic cell is? The Down syndrome is caused by trisomy of chromosome? The sex chromosome in human males are? Crossing over occurs during which phase of meiosis? Which process produces 4 haploid daughter cells? Evolution by natural selection is proposed by? The theory of inheritance of acquired character was proposed by? Homologous organs provide evidence for? Wings of the birds and insects are examples of? Which scientist proposed the concept of survival of the fittest? The fossils are most commonly found in? The evolutionary history of an organism is called. Which kingdom contains organisms with ctenoid cell wall? Cyanobacteria belongs to which kingdom? The largest cell organelle in plant cell is usually the. ATP is primarily synthesized in which organelle? The site of photosynthesis in plant is. Which pigment is mainly responsible for photosynthesis? The process of converting mRNA into protein is called. Which enzyme unwinds the DNA double helix during replication? The human female reproduces how many functional ova from one primary oocyte? The ABO blood group system was discovered by. Which disorder is caused by deficient of insulin? The basic unit of classification is. Which domain contains organisms lacking a true nucleus? Mitochondria possess which own? The Human Genome Project determined that humans possess approximately. Natural selection acts directly on. Which branch of biology deals with classification of organisms?